Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you my finished item, which I have knit with a total of 4 balls. I bought the yarn from Temu. I do have an unboxing. And I just wanted to show you before I'm going to wash this. As you can see, it's blended wool, but it doesn't say what kind of wool. And feels like 80% Angora rabbit yarn. With my experience, so I knit it top down, V-neck, crop, long sleeves. Well, it's a little bit longer than crop because I used up all the yarn that I had, and I did some increases here to show you. This is how it looks like. It gives a little ruffle edging here. So every 5 stitches I made an increase, and this is how it looks like. So it's not tight on the waist area. Gives a nice vintage look. So I hope you like this tutorial. I'm just going to wash it with you and give you an idea. I will post pictures. I do have a tutorial on how to knit top down. I do have a playlist. I also been posting on Instagram and TikTok how the process has been going on from top down. This will fit small size, even a medium, because the mannequin is a medium size. And it fit perfect on a medium size. And I put on buttons on this one. I had these buttons that I bought. I've been hoarding. So just to give you an idea. Okay, so I'm gonna take this to the tub and show it to you how I wash it. I did wash another one, and of course it gets more halo and more fluffy. Even here you can see the fluff, the halo a bit. Okay, so I'm just at the tub because it's a little bit big to put it in a container. I'm just gonna use Dawn. This is perfect for wool. I'm a little bit breathless. I do apologize. I have a 2-story level house, and gives me the breathless. So I'm gonna just squeeze it just a little bit of this, just like this. And then I'm going to put more water in it. Okay, I put more water because it gets really loud. And I'm just gonna soak just like this. I don't know if it's going to bleed. Yeah, it is bleeding a little bit, but not too bad. Do this like the warm is liquid, the water is warm. It's not super hot, and I will continue doing this until there's no bleeding water, the yarn. And what I'll do is, let me just empty this and do it one more time, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the second time. And, yeah, this time it's not bleeding as it bleeded the first time. So I think 2 times is okay. So I'll just agitate it a little bit. Like this. I'm not going to put fabric softener because it's going to be on sale on my Etsy shop, and I don't want it to, smell, because some people don't like they're sensitive to smell, so that's the reason. And I'm just going to rinse this, and it did shed while I was knitting, just to point out. So that's why it felt like it was Angora rabbit yarn. I don't know what kind of wool was in the yarn. I wish they write it down, but unfortunately there was no description. So let me just get this foam out and I'll be right back. I just wanted you to see I've been rinsing it very good, so there's nothing left with the Dawn. Everything is gone and the foam is gone, so I'll just drain it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay it flat, and I'll show you how to do that. Just need to put it on a towel before I do that. Get rid of all of the foam. All of the, yeah, it does shed. I don't know if you can see it, but it does shed, yeah. That's why I felt like it was Angora rabbit yarn. So what I'll do is, going to gently squeeze. Yeah, I can see the hair falling from the yeah, if you have allergy towards wool, I wouldn't recommend you to knit it with this yarn, because it was, even for me, I've been knitting for years, I noticed that it did itch. I had to wash my face a couple of times, so I wouldn't recommend this if you have allergies, because I don't know. See, I don't know if you can see the hair from my hat, but yeah, it does shed a lot. I don't know if it's gonna stop, but I don't know if you can see the halo. Yeah, it's autumn. Autumn totally changed. So I will take pictures and I will share it on my Instagram page to give you an idea how it looks like when it's dried. But now I need to lay it flat and lay it dry. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I pulled up the laundry clothing rack and I'm going to put a towel. Unfortunately, it's gonna rain, so I'm not gonna take this outside, or else I would have just laid it on my patio here. But when it's going to rain, right, that's another thing I can't. Okay, so just gonna lay it like this. Like this. And let the sleeves, so this will dry. If it's sunny tomorrow, I'll just take it outside like this, so it can dry faster. But I just wanted to show you, even with washing, you can see the halo, the fluffy. So it's gonna be fluffy, definitely. Yeah, if you don't have allergies, I would highly recommend you to definitely go for it. But yeah, I had to wash my face a couple of times while I was knitting, and I had to change my clothes often because it was on shedding on my clothes. So let me just share you the yarn. Okay, so these are the few I bought from AliExpress, again from China. Sorry about the wrinkle. So I did knit with this yarn. I believe it was this yarn. I'm not quite sure because I bought so many. They're in the bag. I already did these unboxing. And so if you want to buy, see, these don't have labels. And then they come with this little cone, and there's lots and lots of thread here. It's elastic. Can you see? It's like elastic. Okay. I have this color somewhere. I always buy one just to see the quality. So this is what it is. It has the raccoon picture, but I don't know. Here are some information about it's Chinese, I believe. So, and I did buy others. So, and what I did is I did 2-ply. I did 2-ply because this is thin, right? So I used 2 balls like this, and with the small cones, so 4-ply total. And I used 1, 2, 3, 4 of these just to point out to knit that small to medium size. Extra small, it would be a little bit big. For small and medium, it would be perfect. Okay, so I just wanted to give you this information. I hope you enjoy it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Happy knitting. Bye-bye. This one says 100. I can read that. See, these are 50 gram. So if you're going to buy like this 100, you just need 2 of this. And then you use 2 strands from each of the cone.